UGTRB English, Unit 1 Full Test. ### Keycap 1 The Age of Chaucer. 1. Which of the following best reflects the narrative technique of Geoffrey Chaucer in the Canterbury Tales? A. Allegorical abstraction. B. Objective dramatic monologue. C. Frame narrative with ironic detachment. D. Epic invocation style. Check mark answer. C. Asterisk. Frame narrative plus dramatic irony plus social realism. ### Keycap 2 The Age of Shakespeare. Asterisk 2. The term, university wits, is primarily associated with which dramatic innovation before William Shakespeare? A. Restoration comedy. B. Blank verse in public theatre. C. Heroic couplet dominance. D. Comedy of manners. Check mark answer. B. Asterisk. Marlowe popularized blank verse on stage. ### Keycap 3 The Age of Milton. Asterisk 3. In Paradise Lost, John Milton justifies the ways of God to man primarily through A. Classical fatalism. B. Calvinistic determinism. C. Christian humanism in free will. D. Medieval mysticism. Check mark answer. C. Asterisk. Milton upholds free will, not blind predestination. ### Keycap 4 The Age of Dryden, Restoration Age. 4. The critical principle advocated by John Dryden in an essay of dramatic poesy is A. Strict adherence to Greek unities. B. Total rejection of French drama. C. Comparative criticism through dialogue. D. Romantic imagination supremacy. Check mark answer. C. Asterisk. First systematic comparative criticism in English. ### Keycap 5 The Age of Pope, Augustan Age. Asterisk 5. The mock epic structure in The Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope is intended to A. Glorify aristocratic morality. B. Satirize trivialities of high society. C. Defend classical epic tradition. D. Promote sentimentalism. Check mark answer. B. Asterisk. Satirical exposure of artificiality. ### Keycap 6 The Age of Johnson. Asterisk 6. The preface to Shakespeare by Samuel Johnson argues that Shakespeare's greatness lies in his A. Observance of classical rules. B. Historical accuracy. C. Representation of universal human nature. D. Political allegory. Check mark answer. C. Asterisk. Johnson emphasizes universality. ### Keycap 7 The Age of Wordsworth, Romantic Age. Asterisk 7. In Preface to Lyrical Ballads, William Wordsworth defines poetry as A. Imitation of classical masters. B. Overflow of powerful feelings recollected in tranquility. C. Spontaneous divine inspiration. D. Emotional excess without structure. Check mark answer. B. ### Keycap 8 The Age of Tennyson, Victorian Age. Asterisk 8. Victorian compromise between faith and doubt is best reflected in A. Ulysses. B. In Memoriam by Alfred Tennyson. C. The Scholar Gypsy. D. Dover Beach. Check mark answer. B. Asterisk. Struggle between science and religion. ### keycap 9 The Age of Hardy. Asterisk 9. The philosophy underlying the novels of Asterisk Thomas Hardy is often described as A. Optimistic humanism. B. Naturalistic pessimism. C. Transcendental idealism. D. Romantic escapism. Check mark answer. B. Asterisk. Imminent will, tragic determinism. ### The present age, modern age. 10. The concept of objective correlative was formulated by A. Matthew Arnold. B. T. S. Eliot. C. F. R. Lewis. D. I. A. Richards. Check mark answer. B. Asterisk. From Essay on Hamlet, Emotional Equivalence Through Objects.